Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install a shared Facebook pixel on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook Ads Manager account and simply navigate up to your ad account and make sure that you have the correct ad account selected. Then navigate over to the left hand side and click on All Tools, the hamburger icon. Then locate Events Manager, and this is where we can create and manage our Facebook pixels. As you can see, we have two test pixels here on this account. Now what we'll do is to create a new pixel is locate connect data sources and click here, then navigate down and click on web, then select connect button. So this is where we want to add the name of our new pixel. And now for creating a Facebook pixel for our Shopify store, I have named it. Then once you have named it, simply navigate down and click create pixel button. Then we have to add our website URL of our Shopify store and simply click tick. And then when you see this green tick, that means we have entered in our website URL correctly. Then come down and click next. And now make sure that the conversions API and metapixel is selected. This is going to provide us more detailed data. Then come down and click next. And then make sure that we have set up with parted integration. This is a simple way that allows us to integrate the Facebook pixel with our Shopify store without using any code. And then again come down, click next, and simply now navigate over to Shopify. So all we have to do is log into our Shopify store and connect Shopify with Facebook. So now after connecting it, on your Shopify store, navigate over to the online store on the left hand side and now click on the preferences button. Then navigate down the page and locate Facebook pixel and then select set up Facebook button and then navigate up to add sales channel, which is on the top right hand corner. So after that, the process of connecting Shopify with Facebook will be started. And now navigate down and click connect account. This is going to allow us to connect our personal Facebook account with Shopify, which is also associated with our business manager. So make sure that we select the right account and then enter your email password, click continue. Now once it's connected, select the business manager that is associated with your ad account and your pixel that you have just created. And now we want to do under domain verification is make sure that our domain can be verified now. If your domain is currently not verified, simply click on your domain and then scroll down and click verify. As you can see, our domain is already verified. So navigate down and click confirm. And now add the account that we used to create our Facebook pixel and connect. So here we can view and accept the terms and conditions. So go ahead, select each of these, accept the terms and click done. After accepting all the terms, and then under Facebook business page, connect your Facebook business page, and then under data sharing, we recommend selecting either enhanced or maximum. You can always change these at any time, and then scroll down where it says behavior will be tracked with this pixel. So after that, click disconnect and then disconnect again. So choose the main country that you target and then click accept terms and conditions. After that, click finish setup. And now you have connected the Facebook pixel with your Shopify store. So after that, you can verify it and test your Facebook pixel. That's how you can install a shared Facebook pixel on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.